What is a relative newcomer in growth here is Spec3.
You stick with the class and it's growing like crazy right now.
So we've got a huge field here this weekend. Yeah, some guys are faster than the other. It's the driver, it's not the car.
It's affordable to keep running, and the field is just growing and growing. Cars being built all over the country, and the people are just fantastic.
And making a positive environment in Spec3, we're seeing builds all across the nation.
Some friends of mine just the other night went to hear this cool cat blow. They said he sang so good in the room that he didn't even stop the show. They don't remember the place, they remember the place. Now everybody wants more. Woo! Stop Jimmy's love. Stop Jimmy's swings. He's got the love. Stop Jimmy. He's the king. Jimmy on the television, famous people love the winner. Jimmy on the news fight. Jimmy on the radio, even on the video, back the sky high. Driving all the women crazy, only one Jimmy Beaver love when he rolls his eyes. Stop Jimmy rocks. Stop Jimmy swings. He's got the love. Stop Jimmy. Sing it, baby.
So the original reason I picked it because of the chassis, and it's a very capable chassis. There's a lot of them on track, and come to find out that the people around in Spec3 are actually better than the chassis. So you stick with the class and it's growing like crazy right now.